Walmart, and we're getting ready to give you a 360-degree view of what used to be Kringle's Cafe and what will soon become Santa's Merry Marketplace. Let's get our bearings first. Behind me are the doors you probably used to enter Kringle's in the past. This season, look to your left and you'll see the Candy Cane Confectionery and the Polar Espresso. This show kitchen will feature candies and confections, plus we'll serve up specialty coffee and baked goods. And if you look in the other direction, you'll see the future home of the Sugar Plum Scoop Shop. There will be lots of hand-dipped ice cream, plus other specialty frozen treats to enjoy. If you want to look around some more, just click pause anytime during this video. Meanwhile, I'm going to head over to our main serving area. Right now, I'm standing just about in the middle of Santa's Merry Marketplace. Behind me, we'll have 5 serving stations, each with their own menu. Pizza and pasta, burgers and dogs, Asian cuisine, deli sandwiches, and a kids menu with chicken tenders and mac and cheese. Plus desserts, of course. Where is the seating area? Turn the view around to check it out. If you want to look around, just pause anytime during this video. Next, let's head on over to see some more of the new construction. We've already poured 120 cubic yards of concrete, with more to come. Now I'm standing where Mrs. Claus's kitchen used to be. We'll have more seating to my left, and over here, more restrooms, where we'll have twice the seating capacity as before, including 2 family restrooms, plus an individual mother's nursing station directly behind me. And on the other side of this camera, we'll have 3 reservable private dining rooms. These will be available for groups of 15 or more for birthdays, anniversaries, reunions, or just a fun day at Holiday World and Splash and Safari. We'll be back soon with another update. If you're interested in season passes for the next year, head on over to holidayworld.com/passes for all the details. Opening day is just a few months away.